Hello, hello, friends. Happy Friday to you. Brit here with a full body floor workout today. Now we are going to be taking it down to the floor. So that means if we have any tender knees, we want to make sure we have a pillow or wrapped up towel handy just to make sure it's a little bit more comfort. If anything doesn't feel good, want to be sure and pass on those movements and just do whatever feels good for you today. But before we head on down to the floor, let's go ahead and grab a warm up. And we're going to start with some shoulder shrugs and some toe taps. So we are taking shoulders up to the ears and down. Nice deep breaths in, expanding that chest. Nice and proud. How about some toe taps to the sides? Good, nice. Yeah, you can get a little twist in there if you like. Sure. Looking good. Deep breaths in and out. Nice, looking good. Keep it going. How about taking it to the back, toe taps back, and some shoulder rolls. Beautiful. If you need to go ahead and loosen that neck up, you can take a little look down, side to side, nice and easy. Beautiful. Just hitting that warm up, finding out where our body is today. All right, so we are going to go ahead, kick those legs out a little bit and get a nice high reach as high as you want to go. Take them up, take them up, take them up, and then bring it down. Squat it down as low as you'd like to go. Back up again. We're going to do this just about 4 times. This is 2. Nice deep breath. Good. 3. And 1 more. Then we're going to go ahead and see where we are with that balance today. We're going to be just taking that toe into a little circle around on the ground. Beautiful little bend in that standing knee. Other leg. Beautiful. Looking good. Then just some hip wiggles around the world. Nice. And let's put those feet right underneath those hips. A little bit of knee swings and some ankle wiggles. Good. All right. So we're going to go ahead and take it down to the ground right now. Beautiful. And on down there, walk it out into a plank. Now, this can be a nice straight plank or from the knees. All right, and we're going to do some plank rows. So 3, 2, 1, one arm right up next to the side of the body. Good. Taking that from the feet, or like I said, right from the knees. Beautiful. So each of our moves are going to be 45 seconds, and I have 7 of them. I'm going to run through them all. Beautiful, nice. Deep breaths in and out. Loving it. Looking for that straight line from the shoulder, hips, all the way down to the knees. Or if you're taking that full plank row from the shoulders, hips, knees down to those ankles. Beautiful. Trying to keep those hips facing forward to the ground. Nice. Good. Keep it going. Give me 3 and 2 and 1. Beautiful. We're going to bend it back going into a tabletop position. Nice. So shoulders right over those elbows, right over those wrists. Nice. Looking good, gals. One leg out and the opposite arm. Beautiful. We're going to crunch it in and back out again. Take it down. Opposite arm, opposite leg. Good. Looking good. I'm hanging here with the live crew this morning. Looking great. Heading into the weekend. I hope everyone has some great plans this weekend. Take it in and out. Nice. Nice deep breath as you come in. Oh, that was loud. Nice. And in and out. Hope nobody's listening on headphones. Sorry. I was a little surprised. And give me 3 and 2 and 1. We're going to go ahead and stay in that tabletop position, but one leg's coming out, and we're doing a straight leg glute press. About 25 seconds on one side and then 25 seconds on the other. Good. You can have a flexed foot or pointed toe, whichever. Nice straight line. Now I'm looking at the camera because I'm taking a look at these gals out here doing an awesome job. I want you looking straight ahead or down at the ground, spine in line. Nice. And let's switch those legs. Beautiful. Other leg out. Beautiful. Nice straight leg. Focusing right where that thigh meets the booty. Beautiful. Pulse, pulse, pulse. Belly button into spine. And 3 and 2 and 1. We're going to be taking it down to our side here. Now, you all are going to have to remind me which side we do because I'm doing this thing where we do just one side and I never remember. Okay, we're going to do some side leg raises. So one leg bent down underneath. Get yourself nice and comfy. Maybe that towel underneath the hips. You can be elevated. Beautiful. Elbow right underneath that shoulder. Or if you want to take it all the way down. Nice. And just raising that leg up and down. Raise it up and down. We're going to go for the full 45 seconds on this side. And then when we come back through, we'll do a full 45 seconds on the other. Nice. Just letting your leg twist as it comes up. Don't resist anything. Good. And only taking it up, of course, as high as you'd like it to go. 3, 2, and 1. Let's go ahead and take it over onto our backs. Some bicycle crunches or knee tucks. So making sure that that knee comes into the chest and back is down on the ground. Beautiful. And we take a shoulder up to that opposite knee. Beautiful. Opposite and crunch. Nice. Knee up. Breathe it out as you come in. Nice. Elevating that. Just the shoulders a little bit up off the ground. Nice. Opposite shoulder. Tucking into the opposite knee as it comes in. Loving it. Alternate. And 3. And 2. And 1. Bridges are coming next. So heels in towards the glutes, the booty, and you're going to lift those hips up. Now, if you have any issues with that lower back, just a little pelvic tilt and back down. But if everything is feeling great, you're going to take it all the way up. Nice straight line. Yeah, looking good, gals. And back down. Straight line from the knee to the shoulders. Nice. It's kind of like an opposite plank. Interesting. No, totally planned. Love it. Looking good, gals. Give me just about 25 more seconds here. Nice breathe out as you come up and I'll let it go. I get asked a lot about breathing and what the correct way to breathe is when you are exercising. Remember, the first thing is just to breathe. So always remember that. We never want to hold our breaths. All right, give me 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's bring it on up. We're going to be doing some seated twists. So get up to a seated position, however that works for you. All right, and then as far as your breathing, with an exertion. So taking, for example, these seated twists. As I turn, I'm going to breathe all the way out. Good, nice. Join me here. Shoulders back. Now you can just do a nice little twist. One arm just past the opposite knee. Let's try and keep those knees together. Toes can be up, heels on the ground. Or if you are just really feeling feisty today, you can lift those heels up. Ooh, make sure we protect that back. Belly button to spine. Well, this is the last movement in our series today. So then we're going to go ahead, head all the way back to those plank rows in about 10 seconds and repeat all these again. And then we'll stretch and get you on for your weekend. How does that sound? Head nods. I love it. Nice. 3, 2, and 1. Loving it. Let's go ahead. Hit those plank rows. So any knee issues, remember, if you're going to be doing them from the knees, you want to have that little pillow underneath, or maybe just skip this movement altogether. Pick another one that you like. Nice. Let's go ahead. 3, 2, and 1. One arm coming up. Ooh. Feet wider together if you're in that full plank to give you that extra stability, or closer together if you want a little bit extra challenge. Beautiful. Knees down to give you that little bit less range and help out if you're just beginning. I love it. Always the option to remove that row and just hold the plank. Nice. You do you. That is what your workout is about. Give me 3, and 2, and 1. We're going to go into that tabletop position. Bird crunches here. So we are going out one arm, opposite leg, crunch it in, and out. Good. Breathe. And out. In. This is where I did that really loud one before, so I want to be careful with my breathing. Good. Belly button to spine, looking good. Alternating. Or doing one side at a time. I kind of went with one side there. So I'm moving to the other again. Your workout, my workout, we're doing it. We're doing it together. I love it. If you're joining us on the replay, that's cool. You're still doing it with us. Beautiful. Let us know when you're doing it and what you're doing this weekend. Love it. 3, 2, and 1. How about that straight leg glute kickback? Right, straight leg. Beautiful. Just about 25 seconds on one side, 25 seconds on the other. Nice. Now remember, when we're in these tabletop positions, knees are right underneath our hips, elbows and wrists right underneath our shoulders. Good. 3 and 2, and let's switch legs. Pulse and pulse. Nice. Loving it. Looking good. Keep it going. 15 more seconds. And then we're going to those side leg raises. Remember, got to do the other side this time. 45 seconds, and then we just have 3 last movements, and we stretch. Give me 3, 2, and 1. Taking it down. Nice. Now remember, from the elbow or all the way down, little bent leg on the bottom, and taking it up. Beautiful. Whatever feels good for you, and only taking it up as high as feels good for you. Maybe you just want to take a pulse right in the middle. That is cool. You are making it your workout. That's what it's all about. All right, we are 20 seconds out. That's all we got. And then we're going to be taking it onto the back or those bicycle crunches. Nice. Beautiful. Give me 3 and 2 and 1. Looking good. All right. Let's take it to the back. Laying it all the way down. Lovely. One knee into the chest. Opposite shoulder coming up. Getting some nice work in these obliques today with the bicycle crunches here. And then the seated twists when we come up. So we're just kind of getting our body ready here. Nice and protected with that back. Any back issues, of course, we're going to skip that seated twist and you can come right back to this movement here. Beautiful. Already 25 seconds in. So just 20, now 15. Oh my gosh, the time just keeps flying, doesn't it? All right, looking good, gals. Keep it going. I'm here with you. We got this. All right, and give me 3 and 2 and 1. Awesome. Heels come in. We're heading into those bridges or pelvic tucks. If we have any back issues, take it up and down. If you want to give yourself that challenge this time, we can go ahead and hold it up. You can pulse. Or when you come down, you can hover right over the ground. Take it right back up again. Loving it. Lots of different options. Mixing it up. You always want to keep the body kind of guessing what's coming. It's not so much that you have to always increase the intensity. Sometimes you can just tweak things a little bit and make those adjustments on those assisting muscles. Great. Give me 10 more seconds here. And then, by my calculations, we just have one more movement before our stretches, and that is our seated twists coming in 3, 2, and 1. So come on up. Beautiful. How are we doing, gals? Woo, thumbs up, nice. So seated twists. Knees are together, ankles together, and you're finding where you're twisting. Make sure we have that nice belly button to spine, proud chest. Take your head and shoulders with you. Don't look at the camera. I'm not doing anything interesting. I'm just twisting like you, twisting together. And we have 20 seconds left. And then it's going to be time to hit some stretches. And our first one is going to be seated just like this. We're just going to slow things down and hold in 5, 4, 3, 2, and we are done. Let's go ahead and get a nice seated twist. Beautiful. Holding. Deep breaths in and out. Head up. Love it. Let's go ahead and switch to the other side. Oh no, I'm looking away from you guys. All right, I'm coming back soon in 3, 2, and 1. Let's go ahead and do a little reach over. So reaching over to the side, you can take that elbow down. Oh, that feels great, doesn't it? Nice. Other side. Nice. Loving it, crew. All right, let's go ahead and take it up into a nice cat-cow. Get a nice arch in the back for a little cat, and then a sway in the back for the cow. And of course, as a unicorn. All right, we are going to go ahead and take it on up. Bring it on up however you like. Take your time, squeezing that body, vertebrae by vertebrae, coming on up. And we are going to lift nice and high, finishing this off with a nice IYT W stretch. Nice little bend in those knees, reaching up high, 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 extended out into the Y, arms a little bit wider. Love it, out into that T, palms up. Bringing those elbows in to a W. Back out again, and we're going to flip those hands. Nice, wiggle the fingers back down into a clasp. Deep breath in, proud chest. All right, crew, thanks so much for joining me today. Let's get those hugs in. I want you to head out, have a great weekend. One arm over the other. Deep breath in and out. Open again, chest opener. You did it. I'm going to see you on Monday. Kudos to you. Pat on the back. Get out there, have a great weekend. Peace.